So when we were planting all of our fruit trees here at Via Paradiso, because we love avocados, we wanted to plant some avocado trees. And we started researching about grapes and things like that and their harvest. And we were looking for the most prolonged harvest we could get. So when we started looking at avocado trees, we had asked the nurseryman what his suggestion was. And he said, if you get a Haas, a lamb Haas, and a surprise, that combination will give you avocados 11 months of the year. That sounded pretty appealing to us, and they're all very good, tasty avocados too. So we planted all three of those, but unfortunately the lamb Haas that we planted here at this spot didn't survive. So we're planting a brand new one today to go along with the Haas, which you see behind us, and the surprise, which is way down at the end near the pepper tree. So hopefully this one will survive and give us lots of fruit going into the future. So the reason we cut the bottom off and put the plant in the hole, the avocado in the hole, is because avocados are very sensitive to the roots being disturbed. So we cut the bottom off. We made the hole perfect size for the pot, so the pot slides in tight. I slit the pot 3/4 of the way up, and then once it's in the hole, I finished slitting it, the pot. So now we're just going to push it down in, the rest of the way down in the ground, and then we can just pull out. You just pull out this part and hopefully not disturb the roots so much, so the tree has a much better chance of surviving, because we didn't disturb the roots and injure the roots. So there we have our lamb Haas avocado tree in the ground. Easy peasy.
So it's so fun to be at Via P. So if you were human, then you could do fun stuff that we do. But you have lots of stuff to do when you're a tree, you know?
They produce beautiful fruit. Have a fun life producing the most beautiful, tasty fruit ever that a Haas avocado has ever made. And we will take care of you. We'll say hello to you every time we come to Via P, so you won't feel lonely.
Yeah.
How's that sound, tree?
Tree, you'll never be lonely at Via P because none of these trees will be cut down. Because we love them and they love you too. Okay, little avocado tree?
Do this.
Did you bless the other trees?
Yep, we're good now. We all blessed up.
Mommy, did you bless the other trees?
Yes, I did.